In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in cells in Google Sheets. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your files. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped app launcher to open Google's list of apps. From there, choose Sheets. That takes you straight into Google Sheets where you'll see your recent spreadsheets. Open the document you want to work on so we can adjust how your numbers are displayed. Next, click to highlight the cell that contains the number you want to round. If you want to format several numbers at once, you can drag to select a range, click a column letter to select the entire column, or hold Ctrl or Command to select multiple non-adjacent cells. Everything you select will be updated together, which is great for keeping a whole report consistent. Now, look up at the toolbar above your sheet and find the .0 icon. You'll notice there are two related buttons there. One decreases the number of decimal places, and the other increases them. These control how many digits appear after the decimal point in the cells you've selected. Click Decrease decimal places to reduce the number of visible digits and have Sheets round the displayed number to that place. Each click removes one decimal and updates what you see. For example, if a cell shows 3.456 and you reduce to 2 decimals, it will display 3.46. Click again to go to 1 decimal, and it will show 3.5. If you need more precision, click Increase Decimal Places, and Sheets will reveal additional digits as long as they exist in the value. A helpful tip here: this tool changes how the number is displayed, not the underlying value used in calculations. Your formulas will still use the full precision even if the cell looks rounded. If you ever go too far, just click the opposite button to restore decimals, or use Undo to step back. And if the decimals don't change at all, the value might be stored as text. Double-check the cell's format or re-enter the number. Once you've set the right number of decimals, scan your sheet to ensure similar numbers are formatted consistently. Applying the same rounding across a column or a table makes your data easier to read and looks more professional, especially when you're sharing it with others. That's all there is to it. Open Google, launch Sheets, open your document, select the cells, and use the .0 toolbar buttons to decrease or increase decimal places until the numbers look exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any part as you follow along.